3 money-making factors to help you display your newsletters. If you compose write-ups for your site, try not to consist of the associated links in the body of your article. It will certainly offer the impression that you have a beneficial interest in recommending them. You desire your visitors to trust your advice, so do not transform your article right into a reason to promote products and make a payment. Various other means to obtain your internet site noticed are to make use of post-promo as well as web link exchanges. With web link exchanges, you would add messages or graphics, web links of various other relevant websites on your site, and they would certainly advertise your site details into their website. This will obtain your website discovered by more people, as well as will certainly enhance your search engine ranking. Rather than buying links, get one-way links from blog internet search engines, as well as directory sites, along with obtaining your RSS feed material displayed at other websites. Now, the 3 money-making factors to display your newsletter on your site. Seeing is thinking. Unless your website visitors can experience your newsletter and also value its worth, they're unlikely to join your opt-in email listing. By uploading your e-newsletter on your website, you encourage more visitors to subscribe, as well as you drive more successful web traffic to your website every month. Expanding your opt-in email checklist is amongst your essential objectives. Your success relies on motivating a high percentage of website visitors to provide their email addresses and permission to call them absolutely free through email. The majority of internet sites anticipate visitors to opt into their email lists without initially supplying a possibility for site visitors to test drive the newsletter. This is like wearing a blindfold when shopping for a car. Thumbnails, decreased size pictures of newsletters are not the response. Visitors are unable to review the value of its details prior to joining. Because of this, just a small proportion of website visitors subscribe, as well as those that do, lots swiftly unsubscribe. Now, your second largest goal is to monetize your instructional one-page newsletter by generating instant sales. For the first time, you can display your e-newsletter in context of various other messages and visual elements on a website next to your e-newsletter. As an example, you can show links to the advertising coupon or web links to special deals defined on various other web pages of your website. This is essential due to the fact that fewer and less firms are distributing formatted newsletters as email accessories. Instead, they are driving traffic to their website each month by sending short email introductions to the page on their site where they have actually published the most concern. Many people have hopes and also desires outside of their workstation. However, they seldom have the possibility to check out these opportunities because job as well as household commitments clash too seriously, leave any additional time on their own. You need to regularly maintaining the behavior of learning to expand your mind. This is a location where it can make you rich or the other way around. Prior to spending a lot of time and money marketing an affiliate program Always check it out first. There are a number of ways to do this. The third lucrative reason for presenting your newsletter on your website is greater audience. Much more visitors to your internet site will likely read your newsletter because they do not have to first download it. The lot more appealing and also useful your newsletter, the most likely visitors will certainly sign up to receive it. You can show a constant high value of your newsletter by adding descriptive links to earlier issues. Although Acrobat Viewer's PDF layout is ideal for dispersing newsletters with typographic and also format intact, it is not beneficial for previewing e-newsletters. Micromedia's Contribute To is a software application that incorporates flash paper innovation. With Contribute To, you can conveniently add a lengthable, zoomable and printable version of your formatted e-newsletter to a page of your website. This indicates that site visitors to your internet site, without doing anything else, can promptly read and publish your newsletter. The e-newsletter on your website will certainly be a precise replica of the original. Flash paper versions of your newsletter, enhanced Acrobat version of the copy you published on your office printer. For the first time, you can incorporate the reputation as well as consistent visibility of academic e-newsletters with sales created by complementary targeted advertising messages. I'm connected to the internet. I joined a program. Now is the money going to pour in? That's as far from the fact as you can get, but to some people that is just how it works. It appears that for several, they assume that all they need to do to create earnings is to get online, join this, and holy smokes, can I borrow your truck? I require to head to the bank to make a withdrawal. A 6-numbered earning marketing team, for short SFIMG, are an international organization based in Nebraska in the USA. The firm is signed up with the BBB as well as has released formally in July 2000. Making money online is not terrifying. Making money online is not hard. Making money online is smart. Now the opportunity exists for services ready to venture out there and also attempt. Take the leap into the technical age as well as earn money online. You will find you are amongst a growing neighborhood of individuals who have chosen to be their own manager and also accomplish their very own goals. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you do like it, press the button below. There's a bell up the top. Hit the bell, put alert or whatever it is, inform next to it, press that, and you'll know when I put another video up on YouTube. Now this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching. I hope you come back for more. I will now say bye bye.